Before I start today's topic, let me show you something. Now let me ask you one thing. Can you count books? Can you count flowers? Yes, we can count books, we can count flowers. Now can you count salt? Can you count water? No, we cannot count salt and water. We can count books, we can count flowers, but we cannot count salt and we cannot count water. It is impossible to count them. So, depending upon whether we can count or we cannot count any naming word, any noun, our today's topic is countable and uncountable nouns. So let's begin. So first of all, we will discuss countable nouns. Nouns which can be counted. So nouns which can be counted are countable nouns. Or we can say, when we get an answer to how many, then the noun referred to are countable. So when you get an answer for how many, if I ask you how many books are there and you are able to give me the answer, I have one book, I have two books or three books or four books, then it is countable noun. If I ask you how many pen you have, then you can answer me like I have one pen, I have two pens, I have three pens, then means it is countable. So you are able to give me answer in number and I am getting an answer to how many. It means these kind of noun are countable nouns. How many apples are there? There are 3 apples. 1, 2, 3. I am able to count it. I am asking you how many and you are able to give me answer in how many apples are there? 1, 2, 3. I am again asking you how many flowers are there and you are able to give me answer in number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I am getting an answer for how many and you are able to give me answer in your number, right? So it means I am able to count these nouns. Apples, flowers, all these are nouns. So it means the nouns which can be counted, which you can count in number, they are countable. And you are getting an answer for how many. It means such kind of nouns are countable nouns. So student, as I told you that countable nouns are the nouns that we can count using numbers. So let's have some more examples. How many pencils are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pencils. So I am able to count it. It means it is countable nouns. If I say how many cats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means I am able to give the answer for how many, and how many cats are there? 4 cats are there. I am able to give the answer in number, so it is countable. Again, how many spoons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 spoons. And I am asking you how many and you are able to give me answer for how many. So it means it is countable. There are 6 spoons, there are 6 pencils, there are 4 cats. So I am giving the answer in number. I am able to count these nouns. It means these are countable nouns. So if you are able to count any noun, any naming word, suppose the person or the place or the thing, if you are able to count them in number like 1, 2, 3, 4, it means they are countable. Or you can remember in very simple way that if you are able to give answer for how many, it means they are countable nouns. Now students, tell me, if I ask you how many sugar is there, how many water is there, or how many rice is there, will you be able to give me the answer? No, of course not. You won't be able to, because we cannot count them in number. I cannot say 1 sugar, 2 sugar, 1 water, 2 water, or 1 rice, 2 rice, 3 rice, 4 rice. So it means these are uncountable things. Such kind of things are uncountable nouns. So now we will discuss uncountable nouns. So uncountable nouns are the nouns which cannot be counted in numbers, which you cannot count in numbers. Or we can say that when we do not get answer for how many, if you are not getting an answer for how many and you have to ask that how much, then the noun referred to are uncountable nouns. If I ask you how many milk is there, how many butter is there, how many salt, how many rice is there, will you be able to give me the answer? No, because these are uncountable nouns. You can't count them in numbers. You can't say 1 milk, 1 butter, 2, 3 butters, 1 salt, 1 rice, 2, 3 rice, 4 rice, 5 rice, like that. You won't be able to give the answer in number. But if I say how much milk is there, then you will be able to give me the answer that there is 1 kg, there is 1 liter milk, there is 2 liter milk. If I say how much butter is there, you will be able to give me the answer there is 100 gram of butter, 200 gram of butter. If I say how much salt is there, you will be able to give me the answer there is 100 gram of salt, there is 200 gram of salt. If I say how much rice is there, you will be able to give me the answer there is 50 kg of rice, there is 200 kg of rice. In many ways you can give me the answer. You will be able to give me the answer for how much. So it means if you are not able to give the answer in how many, and you are giving the answer for how much, then it means these kind of nouns are uncountable noun, which you cannot count in number, but you can tell that how much thing is there, how much. You can say that a little, 100 gram, 200 gram, some, or few. Then it means these are uncountable nouns. But if I say there is a glass, if I talk about just a glass of milk, then it is countable, because you can count a glass of milk. There is 1 glass of milk, then it is countable. A glass of milk, it is countable. If I say slices of butter, then also it is countable, because we can count the slices. So these are countable. If I say salt, you can count the pack. You can count the number of pack of salt. So then it is countable. A pack of salt, 2 pack of salt, then it is countable. If I say there is sack of rice, you can count the sack of rice. 1 sack of rice, 2 sack of rice, then it is countable. But if I say how much rice is there, and you will give me the answer 1 kg rice, 2 kg rice, 100 kg rice, then it is uncountable. Now students, some more points are there regarding uncountable nouns, like we can't make plural of uncountable noun. We don't say sugars, we don't say salts, because salts, salt, sugar, these are uncountable. So for uncountable noun, we don't make plural. We can't make plural of uncountable noun, like sugar, like water, like salt. We don't say salts, sugars or waters, because these are uncountable nouns. Also, we don't use a or an with uncountable noun. If the noun is uncountable, then we don't use any article. We don't use article like a or an. We can't use article like a and an for uncountable nouns. Also, if we want to specify the quantity of uncountable noun, we use some words like a little, a piece of, a glass of. Like you can say, let me show you with some example, like a little, some, much, a glass of, a piece of, a slice of, a pinch of, a heap of, a bottle of. These kind of words we use to specify the quantity of the uncountable nouns. Now let's understand countable and uncountable nouns with some more examples. Suppose I have a bread here. So can you tell me bread is countable or uncountable? It is uncountable. Bread is uncountable. But if I cut the slices of bread, I can count them. So slices of bread are countable. Bread is uncountable, but slices of bread are countable. Now, what are all these? There are 1, 2, 3, 4 chairs. There is one table. There are 2 beds. There are 3 sofas. What are all these? These are furniture. All these are sofa, chair, table, bed. All these are the furniture. So, furniture is uncountable. We cannot count furniture. But we can count chair, we can count bed, we can count sofa, we can count table. These are countable, but the furniture is uncountable. This is, all these are ring, earrings, necklace, bangles, all these are jewelry. So can you count jewelry? No. Jewelry is uncountable. Gold is uncountable. But if I say particular ornament like a ring, I have a ring, I have 1 ring, I have 3 rings, then it is countable. But if I say I have lot of jewelry, then it is uncountable. Jewelry and gold is uncountable. But if I say I have 1 ring, I have 2 rings, I have 2 bangles, I have 2 earrings, I have 1 necklace, then I am telling you the number. I am telling it in number. So if I am able to give the answer in number, then it is countable. But if I am not able to give the answer in number, then it is uncountable. So gold is uncountable and gold or jewelry is uncountable, but all these ring, earrings, necklace, bangles, all these are countable. Similarly, money. Generally we say money is countable, but money is uncountable, because when I ask you, if I ask you that how much money you have, I have lot of money. So you are giving the answer in I have lot of, and I am asking you how much. You are giving me the answer for how much. So it is uncountable. Money is uncountable. But if I ask you how many rupees you have, you can say that I have 2 rupees, I have 100 rupees, I have 200 rupees. Then rupee is countable. Money is uncountable. But if I talk about particular rupees, how many rupees you have? 2000 rupees, 5000 rupees, 200 rupees, 100 rupees, then it is countable. 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 2 rupees, 1 rupees, 50 paisa. It means rupee or paisa. When we talk about rupee and paisa, these you can count in numbers. You can count rupee and paisa in number, but you cannot count money in number. For money you say how much money? I have lot of money. How many rupee you have? You say I have 200 rupees. How many paisa you have? You say I have 2 paisa, I have 50 paisa, I have 100 paisa. Then you can give the answer in number. So money is uncountable and rupee or paisa are countable. Kids, like money, as we say that money is uncountable. Similarly, stars, for stars generally people say they are uncountable, but stars are countable. Stars are countable now. We can count stars. We can count them in number. 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, millions of stars, trillions of stars. We can count them. But generally people say that Stars are uncountable, but stars are countable nouns. Money is uncountable, but rupee or paisa, they are countable. So kids, remember that countable nouns are the nouns which you can count in numbers. Or when you get an answer for how many, then means these kind of nouns are countable nouns. And uncountable nouns are the noun which cannot be counted in numbers, for which you cannot get the answer in how many, but when you ask for how much, when you get the answer for how much, then these kind of nouns are countable, these kind of nouns are uncountable nouns. So that's all for today. Thank you.